Brothers and sisters, we have just launched a new website. For us, it's the culmination of our efforts over decades to bring you alive, organic food grown by family farmers. The new website is easier to use, and it's much more informative. Now, people ask us, why do you use the word alive and not raw? We prefer alive because it's more compatible with our outlook on the need to bring aliveness back into every aspect of our work, education, and family life. These times demand it. These times demand that we do everything we can to become more and more and more alive. This must happen in the face of the crisis out there. Now, one pillar of our business is our support of family farmers. They represent what is truly alive in American agriculture. It behooves us to support them as they hold their own against corporate agriculture. Our almonds, for example, are produced by Nick, Steve, and David Korthoff, California family farmers of 5 generations. Our heritage olive oil is produced by Daryl and Olivia Greco on the historic Berkeley olive grove founded over 100 years ago. Our jujubes, Chinese date apples, are produced by Judith Redmond with Full Belly Farm, one of the finest organic farms in California. It is more important than ever to support American family farmers. It is equally important, in our estimation, to grow as much of your food yourself. Think of it, during World War II, there were 23 million victory gardens here, and the vegetables that they produced made an appreciable contribution to the war effort. YouTube is replete with videos showing you step by step how to create a backyard garden or a front yard garden. Moreover, there are community gardens everywhere and even edible schoolyards that will welcome you. All of us need to get back with hands and feet on the earth. The earth will restore us. The earth will heal us. And besides, no tomato is as tasty as the one you've grown yourself. In the face of the crisis, I take heart, because I know that you will take up the task of your generation to renew, to regenerate, to recreate this American earth. You will bring us through. Mankind never sets itself a problem that it cannot solve. Thanks to your kindness and support, we've been able to recreate our website. We invite you to come for a visit. Your comments and suggestions are welcome indeed. Thank you. A privilege to share some thoughts with you, brothers and sisters. Let us go forward.